esteemed dignitaries in the dais, आपण समस्ते भाई भौणी मानक मोर नमस्कार। आज 72nd रिपब्लिक डे रे आपण मान को बहुत बहुत शुभेच्छा मु जनाऊँगी। मते एक्चुअली भुवनेश्वर रे किंबा ओडिशा रे बेसी लोक जानते नहीं कहीं ना मु 40 वर्ष ऊर्ध समय बाहर कटई। मो स्कूल पर मु पढ़ी जाइली दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी रे, तापर दिल्ली स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स रे, तापर ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी रे मु पढ़ी करी, तापर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट रे मु जॉइन करी।
सर 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 मु समस्त को अनुरोध करी सर कहला बेले समस्त सीरियसली सुनतु। सर बहुत भल हृदय लोक जो कथा कहे टे निहाती शुणा दरकार जानवा दरकार। प्लीज सब साइलेंट है शुणु प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट।
मु किछिटा कहिबी किंतु ओडिया रे कहिबार मोर दक्षता नाही, मु से जो आपण मानठो क्षमा प्रार्थना चाहूँगी। मु मते इंग्लिश रे कहया पड़िबो, जो माने इंग्लिश न बुझी पारिबे से माने मते क्षमा करिवे। मु मीडिया विषय रे 3-4टा कथा कहबी। मते फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इतिश जते बेले मते कहिले जे आपण आसिकरी दीपद कहिबे आपनकर एते एक्सपोजर अछि नेशनल लेवल रे, मु राजी हेली कहया पे कहीं ना इतिश होची बहुत ही इज़ द न्यू इंडिया, ही इज़ द न्यू ओडिशा। सी बहुत यंग, एम्बिशियस, इंडिपेंडेंट एंड हाईली मोटिवेटेड। सो आई एक्चुअली congratulate everybody in the team, in the BBM TV, those who have put it in place. My heartiest congratulations to them. We have the honored dignitaries on the dais, none other than the most honored guest of this evening. He will be speaking after me, none other than Prasanna Patsani Sahab, whom I know for many years now. So we will all eagerly listen to that. But prior to that, I want to say something. What is the power of the media? Power of the media is enormous. आपण विश्वास कर परिवेनी जते बेले in the year 1974 there was a scandal in America. It's called the Watergate scandal. Some of you might have heard about it. There were two journalists, there were two reporters. One is Bob Edward, the other is Carl Bernstein. These two reporters, they reported that President Nixon, who was then the President of United States, had spied on the Democratic election campaign headquarters in Washington. And these reports were so damaging. It was full of Watergate, was such a scandal all over the world that people were amazed how a sitting president can actually spy on his opponents because he wanted a second term in America as a president. He is the most powerful man on the planet. But these two reporters were so good that they brought out the entire story about how this was done, what kind of conspiracy was hatched, what kind of money changed hands, how the breaking into the headquarters took place, and the most powerful man on the planet had to resign just because of two reporters. That is the power of the media. When I went to Delhi to study in 1976, I had to go through an interview for my admissions, and the interviewer, he asked me, he said, look, Watergate scandal has broken out in America. What do you think is the impact of Watergate scandal on India? I said that in India, every gate is a Watergate. Everywhere there are conspiracies being hatched, there are a lot of irregularities taking place, and there was a peal of laughter. All I'm saying is that the media has the responsibility to unearth all those wrong things which are going on and highlight also all the good things that is going on. And media should be independent, media should be absolutely fearless, and I think BBM TV is going to fit into that agenda and will do very well. There are 5 principles or characteristics for a good media reporting or a good media house to do that. The first of all, the report should be balanced. There should be fairness and it should be balanced. Balanced meaning that if one point of view is being given, the report must say what is the other point of view. You just cannot give one point of view of one political party and not give the other point of view of the opposition. So it has to be very balanced so that the people, the audience will have to really figure out that, well, it's a very good, this is the truth. The second thing is that there should be attribution. From where has the report come? What is the source of that report? What is the source of that information? That's very important. Unless the source is very, very correct and source is very authentic and robust, people will not buy your story. The third thing is that there should be brevity. It should be short, because these days there are hundreds of channels. There are social media, there are digital channels, there are DTH, and news is breaking out everywhere. People are in a hurry. They're in a big hurry to look at what kind of breaking news is coming up. And therefore it is very important that your report should be very, very short. I will just take 2 more minutes and finish. There should be clarity. Absolutely, there should be no ambiguity in the research in your report. And last of all, there should be accurateness. The news report should be very accurate. And I think BBM TV will be able to fulfill that mandate. There is one television channel in the world which has done this over a period of 1 century. In 1922, they started, everybody must be knowing, it is the BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. In 2022, they are going to celebrate 100 years of their media service, and I think that's the best. That's something which does not give any political views of one party or the other, and they are very balanced and they have thrived. And I congratulate once again BBM TV, and I hope that they emerge as #1 TV channel in Odisha, not only in Odisha but for the viewers for the rest of India as well. Congratulations, Jai Jagannath.